Today, I'll show you how to use Claude AI, one of ChatGPT's biggest competitors. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tweak Claude's writing style. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. I'll be bringing you more updates on tech. Let's dive in. I'll place a link in the video description for you to access Claude AI. If you click on it, you just have to do some petty registration and then it will take you to this page. Now, by default, if you create an account on this website, your appearance will be white, but I've changed it to dark mode because I really love using dark mode. If you want to change it back, just click on your profile, click on it here, and then go to appearance and then change it to systems default appearance. Now here is where you are going to type your prompt. It works basically like ChatGPT and other AI platforms. At default, you are going to have this normal style here. We are having concise, explanatory, and then formal. We are going to try all of it here, so you need not to worry yourself here. And then here too, you can just capture the screen of your computer, upload it to Claude AI to ask questions. Here too, you can also click here to upload a file, attach a file here, maximum of 30 megabytes. If you want to have more of it, then you just go to upgrade to have unlimited access to uploading or attaching a file here. Now just proceed writing something here to ask Claude AI to give us an answer. Now just ask Claude AI to generate a story using 200 words. Now let's proceed. So generate a story using 200 words talking about the importance of education to every individual, and then click on send here. All right, after waiting for some few minutes, Claude AI was able to generate 200 words story with the prompt that we gave you. You can see Sarah started at the graduation cap in her weathered hands, tears welling in her eyes. At 45, she had finally done it. So this is how basically Claude AI works, okay? And then you can also change the style from normal to concise to summarize everything. You can say summarize the story with one paragraph, and then click on send to summarize everything. It will summarize everything because you chose concise style here. Now let's see it if it can summarize everything, and boom, it has summarized everything for us. This is amazing, bro. This is really amazing. All right, so if you check down here, you can see analysis tool. You can also use Claude AI to, let's say, analyze your CVs and others. Okay, here it's saying upload CVs for Claude to analyze quantitative data with high accuracy and create interactive data visualization. So you can also use this to analyze your CV. If you get any error, it will just assist you on how to do it perfectly. So as I was saying, you can also upload a file here to ask Claude AI any questions about the picture or anything that you upload here. Now I'm having this picture here. I'll ask Claude AI questions about it. So I will just ask, how many cows are in the picture below? Click on enter, wait patiently for it to load. After waiting for some few minutes, Claude AI gave us an answer. Let me count the cattle in the image. So it got time, counted every cattle or cow in the image. This is amazing, bro. Black and white belted cow, white and brown, gray cow, light gray, reddish brown, brown highland, light brown, reddish white. Charlie, this is amazing. This is amazing. There are 15 cows total in the image. You can also use this AI to do anything of your choice. You can use it to do anything that you want to. Could you imagine? You can also use Claude AI to generate a working code. Yes, perfectly working code without knowing any programming language or having any knowledge in coding. You think I'm lying? Let's check it out. Click on new chat, and then in the prompt area, just give it any prompt to what create a working code. So I will just ask Claude AI to generate a working code with this text that I gave here. Generate a working code using HTML and CSS. TT ball playing with 2 lines. Let's see if Claude AI can give us the working code. Let me send it. Let's see the magic here. Alright, after waiting for some few seconds, Claude AI was able to generate the working code here. This is amazing. It starts working, running automatically. Now you can see how the code is. If you go to code, here is where you are going to see the code. The top one is what the HTML, and then that one is the cascading style sheet with the CSS. Even if you are not having any knowledge in coding, you can use Claude AI to create something for yourself. If you go to preview, this is how basically the code will be looking as. You can also make changes to the working code here. So let me type let all the lines in the code be rainbow colors, including the ball. Let's see if Claude AI can do that one for us. Oh my god, this is amazing. Have you seen how beautiful the code is looking as now? This is amazing, bro. This is amazing. You can just download it and then it will be downloaded successfully to your computer. Now if you open it like this, it will start automatically running. This is amazing. I've been able to create a working code without having any knowledge in programming. This is amazing. ChatGPT can't never and ever do this with the free version. Okay, you have to upgrade before you can have all these features. It will give you the code, but it will not run automatically as Claude AI has done here. But the only issue with this Claude AI is it is having a limit. Yes, if you continuously use it in a day, they will give you some limitation for you to upgrade. If you want to have access to the unlimited usage of this Claude AI, then you have to upgrade. Okay, but if you are cool with the normal and then the free version, then you are good to go. I hope you've learned something new today. Don't forget to like and then share for your friends as well. Follow Anhisco Solo Tech on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and then on Twitter. It's Anhisco here, and I'm out. Bye.